Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from ASDA. It
is.
Yeah.
What is it?
Is a perfect eggs delicious breakfast.
So it is a
Salter.
boil 6 or poach 2 eggs at once. Start the day right.
Got this before.
Egg cooker. Yeah, I got one, but it wasn't too good. This is a bit better. Different company.
Why have we got 3?
It's for making eggs, darling.
Have you got the other one?
We've got the other one somewhere.
Is it old?
The company's old. Since 1760 it says here.
The other one, the frying pan.
Yeah, the other one we had doing eggs, but this is different.
Yeah, I remember that.
This is different to the egg frying pan, darling.
It likes it.
Okay, so it's different. So there you go. Let's just open it. So in it you have
Instructions.
should
Let me see.
instructions.
Is that cardboard or
This is polystyrene. Polystyrene.
Oh,
With
yeah.
polystyrene on top.
Looks like a rectangle.
Yeah, square.
Square.
It's a bit bent.
That's
like
a
the top.
rectangle. That's a rectangle, isn't it? Yeah.
It's a bit bent from the top of it.
Yeah.
Looks like water.
Yeah. So we've got bits of polystyrene to protect it.
And look,
I've
that's
just
a
made it out a bit tight.
rectangle.
Yeah. And we've got the unit here. It's not very big, but it doesn't need to be, which is a good thing because you don't have a lot of mess. So, go on, take that. You probably can just put it in the bin. It's not a lot, darling. So
It
just
looks
put it in.
like just like a big ball.
So we've got like this bowl bit. Then we've got these are for little
For the eggs.
for poaching the
Yeah.
eggs. They're quite small.
It looks like when you put it in a burger, it stays like
Yeah.
yeah.
They're the ones that at McDonald's,
Yeah.
those kind of egg McMuffin things.
Where do you
I thought it would be bigger, but
Where do we put it?
We'll put it near the coffee
it doesn't
machine.
stand. It just goes like that.
I'm not sure how it works. Well, there's got a few things I have to explain to you. Probably from the similar to the other one. So it's got this that obviously goes in here. You've got this. That's where you
clean
sit
out?
the eggs. You put the water in here.
Yeah.
Plug this in. Heat steams up. Put the eggs in here. I think 6, but you could do. But this is just the handle you have to connect. So you're just going to slot it in. Probably from here. Yeah, from
like
here.
a smiley face.
And that's.
This looks like a smiley.
Yeah, so just lock it in place. So that's a handle now.
Looks like
Yeah, it looks like a smiley face. Yeah.
Oh, that's
So that's
cool.
that. Put that there. What the idea is,
So you don't have to take it off like that.
yeah. What you do. So it's got all the things about what each thing does here. Yeah. So what you're going to do is, if you want to just boil some eggs, you have to actually pierce the egg first. So you've got this little
I
thing
remember
underneath.
the other one had one of them.
Yeah, so you pierce it, and then depending on what you want, yeah, you just how much water you put. It's really clever. So you can get soft boiled eggs, medium, how many things. So if on 6 soft, you put up to that level, and you go up depending on if you want soft or medium. So we have to try that out. The other thing is got this, which my other one didn't have. Yeah, the other square. Yeah, it didn't have a poaching part. Yeah, it's cooking time is approximately 10 minutes to poach eggs. Check that the egg cooker is cool. Right, okay.
Daddy, look, another square.
Yeah.
But the other one.
Check the egg cooker switch off, unplug main fan. Remove the lid and take out the removal tray and egg poachers from the egg cooker. Measure filling cup cold water, medium 1 to 3 dot. So this is to poach eggs.
Wait,
So
is it for sausages and
no, just eggs. So you go fill it up to the medium 1 to 3. So you'd fill it up to there, and then you pour that in here, and then what you do is
What is that for?
into the heating plate. Lightly coat the eggs poached with oil or butter. So you have to put some oil or butter in here, and you just sit them in there. You can only do 2.
But on the picture, it looks like it's on the rack.
Oh, place the removable egg tray. Place the removable egg tray. Oh, sorry. Place the removable egg tray onto. Wait. Place the removable egg tray onto egg cooker. Place the egg poacher on top. Okay, yeah, sorry. Like that. Then like that.
Daddy.
Like that. Yeah?
Are you going to cook with that?
Yeah, you're going to make some eggs. We're going to try today.
The other one, it didn't have the metal one. It had like hard plastic.
Was it hard plastic?
Yeah.
And the other one, we didn't have one, but the other one was scrapey.
Wasn't
But we
scrapey.
didn't have it.
Once the water's completely evaporated and the eggs are cooked, the indicated light will turn off and the egg cooker will automatically switch off. Use a small heat-resistant plastic or wooden spatula. Carefully remove poached eggs from the egg poacher. Remove eggs immediately to prevent over-poaching. Spatula, they're saying just to remove these because they're going to be hot. We can just put a kitchen towel and pick them up. So we're going to try that. We're going to probably come back and show you, or come back and do a post-review. It's got a vent here to let the steam out so it don't build up. I don't think so, darling. It makes a maybe steaming noise, but it looks good. Here's here's the button to switch it on. So it looks quite good, like nice, small and neat. I'm going to try it today.
Yeah.
And we can see how we manage with that, see how it goes. What do you think then?
Yeah.
I don't think it's that expensive. I will have to look and put a thing in description. Hopefully I'll remember. Just make eggs easier and quicker.
Daddy, is that charger?
Certainly for people who like training or go to gym or whatever, and you want to make quick, easy eggs as a snack. Really easy, quick to do, not messy like when you're boiling egg. And with this measuring device, although I'm sure it's not perfect, you've got some
You can't go up there because it's dangerous.
Yeah. You've got some predictability maybe with the type of egg that you want. But we'll have to see how it works out.
Daddy, look.
Yeah, Dan, we're just finished the video now. Okay. Thank you, darling.
This looks like a hand.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. So, shall we finish then?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Bye.